I just think it's about time that our voices are heard, that we need to be recognized, we need to be seen. People need to know that we're here, we're still alive, and we still got a purpose here on this planet.
Making a noise in this world, making a noise in this world. You can bet your ass I won't go quietly, making a noise in this world.
Native Americans all over the United States are coming together on the issue of a federally recognized Native American Day, a day to celebrate the contributions of this country's indigenous people. They are coming together not only in groups, but also as individuals.
But we need it. We owe it to them. If we're supposed to be the great country, well, we better act like it.
I would think that it would be, it would be obvious that we need a Native American holiday in this country. You know, we have holidays for so many other events, and the Native Americans, they were here first, and I don't know, it just seems so obvious. I can't think of why there would be a reason that we don't have one.
How do you guys all feel about there being a federally recognized holiday for the Native Americans?
Making a noise in this world, making a noise in this world.
Okay? It's easy to break the sticks alone, but when you join the sticks together, you can't break them. This is unity.
It's one spirit, one people. And that's what I'm all for, is bring all the people together. No matter whether you're yellow, red, black, or white, it's all people coming together.
I said, now everybody's had to pull together. I said, not one person did all these things. I said, that took everybody.
We have come, hit the drum. The land trembles with dancing. We have come, bang the drum.
And challenging our young people to identify and follow a dream as warriors for the betterment of mankind.
There should be a celebration like any other people are honored.
We want to make sure that we're doing everything we can to honor the dignity and respect that Native Americans deserve and the contributions that have been given by Native Americans to society.
And yes, I think there ought to be a Native American Day.
God gave us each a song. That's how we know who we are.
I think that would be a great thing to look into, with tribes, but it's a matter of getting all the tribes together.